In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate QuickBooks to adjust your company's fiscal year end. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to set your fiscal year's concluding month with ease. To get started, open QuickBooks by going to their website. You can do this using any web browser of your choice. Once you're on the home page, it's time to dive in. The first thing you'll want to do is locate the gear icon. This icon is typically at the top right corner of your QuickBooks homepage and is essential for accessing your settings. Think of it as the gateway to customizing your QuickBooks experience. Click on the gear icon and you'll see a drop-down menu appear, offering you various options. From this menu, click on Account and Settings. This option lets you configure multiple aspects of your QuickBooks account, covering everything from general company information to advanced settings for finer control. Next, to find the section where you can adjust the fiscal year, navigate to the Advanced tab. This tab holds a wealth of options that aren't immediately evident, but serve to give you greater control over how QuickBooks operates for your business. Clicking on the Advanced tab will take you into a more detailed view of additional settings, which might seem overwhelming, but don't worry, we're just focusing on a specific area. Now look for the pencil icon, which represents the editing tool within QuickBooks. When you find the Accounting section under this tab, the pencil icon will be right there. Click on it. This will allow you to edit the accounting settings where the magic of setting the fiscal year happens. Once you're in editing mode, locate where it mentions the fiscal year-end month. You will see options from January to December. With a click, you can choose the month that best fits your business's accounting practices. Selecting the right month is crucial because your fiscal year-end can affect tax filings and financial statements, so ensure you select the correct one for your operations. After making your selection, the final step is to click on Done. Remember that every change you make is important, so this final click not only saves your settings, but also confirms your new fiscal year-end date. And just like that, your QuickBooks account settings have been successfully updated. Navigating QuickBooks might seem a bit daunting at first, but with these steps, setting your fiscal year should now be a straightforward process. Whether you're new to using this software or just need a refresher, I hope this guide helped clarify the necessary steps. Thank you for watching, and happy bookkeeping.